sipping on Bel Air. My chick from Bel Air. My whip from Germany. I'm cooler than LL. I'm sipping on Bel Air. My chick from Bel Air. My whip from Germany.
Let's keep doing that. Alright, anyway. I like it like this. Cute. Okay, anyway. So, my first party. Alright, so look, let's start off like this. It was homecoming, alright? Right. Your boy was dressed up as Skull, you feel me? Because we was doing Dios des Muertos, you feel me? Alright, anyway, we was all dressing up for Dios des Muertos, Day of the Dead, you feel me? For the whole homecoming theme, you heard? Anyway, alright, so your boy was a pimped out skeleton, you feel me? I was doing the damn thing, you heard? Alright, and my friend was like a mariachi. I don't know if I said that right. 3, 2, 1, and action. Alright, anyway, what's good? So after the whole thing got canceled, you know, my friend was like, yo, let's go to a party, you feel me? Why not? The game got canceled, and I was like, dang, why not? Because, like, we got mad time, so why not? And I was just like, alright, I'm down. So we went, had my friends, they went too, they drove us. We was in like this small Toyota, and like it wasn't working out. It was like I felt like I was a clown inside of those little cars they be driving around. It was just like I'm getting claustrophobic. I can't breathe. I need help. So like it was awkward because like my friend was sitting right here. I was sitting in the middle. My other friend was sitting right here, and then the other one was laying on top of all of us, and I was just like, and like we couldn't open our legs, so I like to open my legs in the car, and I was just like, and I was just like, ah. Anyway, we got there. The party was, but they started playing music, played Mo Bamba. But yeah, people started hyping up. We went in the middle. We was like, hey. But you know, someone took the aux cord. Takes an aux cord. Who takes an aux cord? But yeah, someone took an aux cord and music just stopped. It was like, just shut off. And then they went inside, started playing music. I swear it was like a movie because I opened the door, I turned around, and it's like a couple kissing in the corner. Like, I was just like, alright, I'm done. It was raining. My clothes was moist. I drank some Hennessy. I drank some Malibu. I think I drank some moonshine too. I don't know. And no. It was not the best. Yeah, I was tripping, no doubt. But like, I was still good. I was good. I was hanging in there. You feel me? My homie grabbed me by my neck. But like, he was like, "Come on, bro, we need to go home. This is trash." I was like, "Yeah, let's go." So we hopped in the homie's whip, drove home. He had to make 2 trips because someone else went to go home. We was sitting outside in the rain for like a good 30 minutes though, because we couldn't find her. Yeah, that was uneventful, but yeah, it wasn't the best, but I would want to go to another one. If I really could, I would want to go to another party, you feel me? It's like, why not? It's a party. Young, loud, why not? Live the most, why not? Like, you guys watching, you already know the deal, right? Dijon 2 Slavy. Feel me? Hit that like button down below if you like it, cause I already know y'all do, cause why not? I know I may be like a little stupid sometimes, but you know that's just me. Everybody has those days. But yeah. You feel me? But like hit that subscribe button, share, like, comment. Feel me? See y'all in the next one.
Something for y'all to cut up to, you know? Yeah. Everybody get your motherfucking roll on. I know shorty and she